What's up?
Surprise! We're in Disneyland! Double surprise! We bought friends! This is Ryan's brother and his girlfriend. They're joining us on this trip. This is actually a present to them because they just graduated college, so congratulations.
2022.
So let's go do Disney!
Woo.
Woohoo!
First time back in 4 years.
Grad night part 2. Oh. I was here 3 months ago. He was so nice.
Your ticket.
I totally missed it because it happened so quick.
We're going to Star Wars.
He's trying to We got rides, so yeah, that's the exciting news. So we're going on rides in like 2 hours.
Thank you, and may you enjoy your visit. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad.
Have you never ridden this?
I've never ridden this way.
Yeah, I've never been.
I've never ridden the whole park. Autopia.
Yeah.
The main gate.
Oh. It's the first time we've seen characters walking around and able to talk to and interact with. It's actually super like nice to be back.
That's the first time we've hugged a character in like
So
2
long.
years. That was really cool.
Yeah.
And he kissed me. He gave me a kiss on the cheek, and then he gave me a big hug. It was really cute.
We're gonna get Lauren an autograph book. She's super excited. So
That was so fun.
yeah.
We're just following the Main Street vehicles.
What is unique about Casey's Corner right here?
Oh yeah, do you guys know? Did you know? No, I didn't know.
Why would I know?
Okay, here we go.
The half one? Yeah.
The half one.
So the pattern get interrupted.
They couldn't make the pattern, so they had to do a half light bulb to make it work. We just took a moment to go through the shops, line up a locker for ourselves, and kind of decided to head over to Matterhorn. It was pretty low wait. And then we're gonna head over to rides. We got rides at 9:30-ish, so that'll be fun. It's these guys' first time seeing Star Wars Land, so that'll be cool.
Well-known fact, this mushroom, this used to be where they sold the tickets to rides when the rides used to be sold in like ticket books. So see the footprints from the caterpillar that used to be up here. There's still footprints up there.
We hit Matterhorn. We're about to head over into...
we did Alice too.
Oh, we did Alice. We haven't done Alice in a while. We're about to head into Star Wars, into Galaxy's Edge, and we're about to take these two
For the first time!
for the first time onto Rise. This will be super
So
exciting.
exciting.
Nate's a big Star Wars guy, so it'll be super exciting to see what his view on this ride is.
And we haven't done it in a while.
Probably a year.
We didn't do it in Disney World when we went, and when we came back in February, we just didn't have time. I'm
It'll be
excited.
fun.
Oh, that's like the entrance to it?
We're gonna go right.
This feels different from Disney World, the colors.
It feels tighter, more congested.
The exact same, aside from the third entrance.
Oh, looks fun, Cooper.
We've got eyes on you and your device.
Scary.
But we'd like to know what you're doing on that data pad.
Data pad. You see how nothing here is labeled as Coke? Oh, Chef Nate cooking it up there.
There's Ray. Hello. Ray and Chewie. That's so cool. This is the first time we've seen them. Wow. Hi, Chewie.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakala.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Raise the shields. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Got you, brother.
Where does it really take you?
CR-141. This vessel is in control of the first order and you will disembark immediately. That means now.
You want all this? You want all this?
The resistance prisoners. You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you. Keep the prisoners here.
Take the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Droid, you're lucky it didn't spot you. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. Time to run!
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
You will tell me the location of the secret base. Then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
The escape pod came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nice job, recruits.
Pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command.
I survived.
Hope so. Great job, recruits. SR5, you too.
I look pretty cool, I think. How have we never been into Docking Bay 7? This is our first time in here. We ordered some of the cold brew black calves, so we're gonna try those, but this is cool. I've been telling you we should come here. This is awesome. Yeah. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Are you excited?
I am. I really want to try these coffees.
We went on Rise, we got Ronto Roasters for breakfast, and then we went to Docking Bay 7 and tried the cold brew black calf, and it was good. I would get it again. Just kind of like chugged it down, and we needed caffeine and it helped a lot. So let's go ride some rides. Ooh!
That wasn't so bad.
sweetie.